Namaskarams, I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. NTSE is an exam, it's a competitive exam conducted for 10th standard students by central government, and they give scholarship based on that exam. It is conducted in two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 2 is conducted at the state level and stage 2 is conducted at central level. A state like Tamil Nadu will get about 200 scholarships, and students are given scholarship for almost 10 years till the time they complete their education. A lot of details have been put on this exam in our videos in our YouTube channel. Now, in this video, we will look at how to secure 100 out of 100 in NTSE exams. It's quite possible to get 100 out of 100 because the question paper is not difficult, it is easy, and so all the students who are appearing can aim at 100 out of 100. For that, you need to do couple of homework. One is, you have to take the 9th standard and 10th standard books in the subjects mathematics, science and social science, and read through from wrapper to wrapper, from first page to the last page of these three books for 9th and 10th standard books. And don't try to memorize any of these inputs. Just read like a storybook, because already you have completed 9th standard. So you just give a reading, cursory reading. And 10th standard books, maybe with a little bit of concentration, you can complete the 10th standard books. Next is, you have to undertake at least 2 or 3 mock exams based on the past question papers. Past question papers are available in the net. You can download and then take this test seriously with the time limits. There are 2 exams. One exam is called MAT, that is Mental Ability Test. There are 100 questions for 90 minutes. And another exam is called SAT, Scholastic Aptitude Test, which contains the subjects mathematics, science and social science. It contains 100 questions and you have to do it in 90 minutes. Complete these tests and then send across to us. We will check the answers, your answers with the answer keys, or we will send you the answer keys. You can check yourself and try and find what is your score. Once the score is there, you take up all the questions where you made a mistake and do an analysis, what is called an error analysis. This error analysis will indicate how many marks you lost because of lack of knowledge, and how many marks you have lost because of silly mistakes, and how many marks you have lost because of misunderstanding the question, and how many marks you have lost because of other reasons. Though other than the lack of knowledge, all other things can be, you can cope up and then increase your score by undertaking these mock exams and doing this error analysis. At the same time, you have to do the time taken analysis. That is, in 90 minutes, you should be able to do all the 100 questions. In case you have any difficulty, you can find out where you are losing your time, and then accordingly you can master the time management and then do the next test. If you do such tests, at least 3 or 4 tests in the next 1 month, you will definitely be successful in the coming NTSE exams. I am sure all of you will get 100 out of 100 and then come up very successfully in the coming NTSE exams. One more thing is that when you write the exam, you have to read the questions twice. Even if you have read the question once and understood the question, then again you read for the second time so that there won't be any confusion. You have comprehensively understood the question. Then you start answering the question. This is one tip which will be helpful to avoid silly mistakes or misunderstanding of the question. Second is, every half an hour you do a stock taking, because it is for 1.5 hours. Every half an hour you should have completed 33 questions. Just do the stock taking and find out how many you have completed. Accordingly, you can increase your speed or reduce your speed, or you can maintain the speed, and then complete all the 100 questions when you in the exam. And when you come out of the exam hall, after completion of the exam, you must be in a position to say, I read through all the 100 questions, but I may not have attempted all the 100 questions. But you should say, I have read through all the 100 questions. This is primarily important because that in most of the papers, the last 20 or 30 questions may be much easier. So you should not miss out those questions because of time pressure. So if you take up all these things into account, I am sure you will score 100 out of 100 in these exams, and I wish you, all of you, to come up successful in this coming exam. December 13th is the exam, and Tamil Nadu government is yet to notify give the advertisement. It is expected anytime soon. So once it comes, we will be uploading those information in our YouTube. And in case you have any queries, you can always contact us. Our phone number is 9952419531. Again I repeat, 9952419531. Thank you. In case if you like this video, you can share this video to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you once again.